Some summer heat is headed back our way these next few days, followed by a blast of cool air for the weekend. And you'll also notice some smoke in the skies from wildfires. We're talking about some of the record-breaking heat out west. Well, it's been record-breaking, scorching heat all across the West. Want to just look at one of these records in particular because San Francisco is not a place that gets very hot. Los Angeles can occasionally, but of course, very cold waters off the coast, and with the San Francisco Bay there, very unusual to get really hot. But 97 yesterday, breaking a record. These are the water temperatures, though, to give you some perspective. 50s there off the coast of Northern California. So to hit anything above 80 there is pretty infrequent, let alone close to triple digits. Of course, you get away from the water, it was easily much hotter. Probably noticed some smoke in the skies here, a little hazier sunsets, certainly a hazy sunrise this morning. This shows the smoke spreading across central North America from fires off to the west, primarily Idaho and Montana, but there are some fires going in Northern California too. And of course, as that heat parks over the west, we're going to probably see a pretty brutal fire season. And this is NASA's smoke model that shows that smoke occasionally wafting in. So 'tis the season where we're going to see at least occasionally some smoky skies. High pressure that we had over the weekend moving off to the east. That means warmer air returning on the backside. Everything moves clockwise around that high. With the developing low to the west, it's not going to affect the weather too much here, but we are going to see that moisture move back in. Muggier air already moving in today. Dew points in the low to mid 60s coming up from the south, and it's sticking around through Thursday, along with some pretty warm temperatures too. We're going to be kind of on the edge of that western heat dome blowing in our direction a little bit. Not enough to create brutal conditions here, but we're going to be upper 80s, close to 90, when the normal high now is in the mid 70s, followed by a cool blast for the weekend. So the air coming this weekend will be even cooler than what we just had. 'Tis the season for that too. But will we see some chilly nights in the Twin Cities yet? Those are kind of hard to come by lately. Highs by Thursday, upper 80s to near 90, especially western Minnesota. I think those are the places we're going to see 90 the next couple of days. And then look at the difference by Saturday, 60s to just around 70, thanks to some cloud cover in addition to cool air and a very slow moving front that's going to bring some rain, but very slowly. So this is starting Thursday night through Friday night, 10 p.m. This is the European model, so showers for the Twin Cities. And then Saturday, still raining, maybe just to our southeast and southeastern Minnesota. So a 2-day slow-moving front potentially. And then cooler, but probably not below 50 yet in the Twin Cities. And this is showing how much later that first 50 of the season comes. Used to happen at the end of August. This is just 30 years ago. But over the last 30 years, that average first night below 50 degrees is now not until the middle of September. So that's pretty crazy over just 3 decades to see it come that much later. 82 today, 86 tomorrow. Hot and muggy the next couple of days. It might be hard to quite hit 90 in the Twin Cities, but we'll get close. And then it will be cooler as that front comes through here Friday and Saturday, some scattered showers. Cooler for the weekend, just around 70. That's actually a touch below normal, but we should be back closer to normal again by Monday, and might even be warming back up again next week. So it's that typical September roller coaster.